I think solar is one of the cleanest energies that we have available to us today.
The base reason for going with solar, it was financial for us because we're actually going to end up making money on the system.
We can feed that energy back into the grid and get paid for it.
It's a one investment with a return of 7 years or less, and then it's all gravy. It's all cash in the pocket.
What's happening is that the energy utility rates continue to rise.
Avoiding that energy inflation is a huge payback, meaning they reduce their power bill to a point where their solar system is actually offsetting 50% of their power.
We're locking in and fixing the price of our utility payment, and as a result, we've locked in our energy costs for at least 25 years.
My hope is not only that we'll have a lot of people with solar panels on their roofs, but in another 5 years we'll have a lot of people driving electric cars.
Gas might hit $5, $10 a gallon. We wouldn't even care.
The whole idea here, the whole theme, is to wean ourselves off fossil fuels.
It also has great earth benefits because it reduces your carbon footprint and contribute toward the solution for global warming.
As a mother, I think it's really important that we are not contributing to carbon in the air, that we have clean air to breathe.
It's about when I turn on my lights that I'm not burning a lump of coal somewhere.
For every $1 million in renewable energy spent, it creates 16.5 jobs, whereas if you spend $1 million on a fossil fuel energy source, it only creates 5.
This should be fun. I mean, why shouldn't we have fun making the world a better place?
I've had strangers pull into the driveway and say, "Tell me about your system." So this is a representation of all the 32 panels on my roof. You find out what the system actually produced in a year.
You go to Germany, Japan, Singapore, solar farms everywhere.
Solar is not the alternative energy. Coal's the alternative energy. Solar is the original energy.
Hopefully someday I'll have grandchildren, and I'd rather leave the world a little cleaner than what it was left for me.